In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your login attempt failed in the final error code TA0002. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to force close the game and the task manager. So you want to open your task manager, and from here just search for the game and task. So after closing the game, what you want to do right now is close all of the apps. Now simply search in the search bar for Windows Security. So here in Windows Security, what you want to do is select Firewall and Network Protection. Now select your public network and turn this off. Click on Yes and simply restart your computer, and hopefully that fixes your problem. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.